Why don't you do everything from scratch for those of us that don't know anything, and then Jermaine can jump in with knowledge or questions?
All right. That's a good idea. You guys see my screen?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes, the thing working. Last time I was checking, it wasn't working, right?
So what am I looking at here?
So right now you're looking at a website called Peaked. Yeah, so Peaked, an entry point for your decentralized world. So it's built on the HIVE blockchain. And the Steam version is called Steam Peak, but we're not going to get into that. We're not going to get into that. But yeah, so we have Peaked right here, guys. And then now, if you have your posting key, I can move this here, I can move that, nice. If you have your posting key or your...
So can I stick a pin here to ask a question?
Sure.
Is this only for, like, can I use a mobile device to go here, or is it better to do it from a PC?
It works good on mobile too. If you just go to peak.com,
okay,
on mobile. And they're working on a mobile app, like a standalone mobile app. So that should be.
Yeah, I use the mobile app version. Pretty easy to use. The best thing I'd recommend is that you save the link, so that you just click on it and go to the Peak quickly rather than type it in all the time.
Okay, so you're using the mobile browser, but you just save it on your home screen, yeah?
Yeah, save it on in your memo.
Yeah. So with the Peak, when you want to log in, you have different login ways. So if you're on your computer, this keychain application, which you can download from Chrome, or if you're on Brave browser. But what this do now, it make it easy for you to log in. So can you just input your keys inside this add-on? So right now, if I just type in my name and I press login, boom, and then I'm logged in. Because my information already stored on this, the keychain.
You're so Jamaican.
Boom. And again, to get keychain now, you just go on the Chrome, extension.
So am I using, since I'm using mobile, should I try with Peak Lock or Hive Signer?
So with mobile, I recommend Peak Lock. With Peak Lock now, you just come in and you press add account, then you put in your Hive account name, or the same Steam account name is your Hive account name, and you add your posting key, then you add your PIN number. You just add a PIN number here.
Yeah.
Right.
I actually use the Hive Signer. Works good for me.
Yeah, if you use a Hive Signer, yeah, use it. I'd say use it. The Hive Signer is actually...
Depends on which one works well for you.
It
yeah.
says use your posting key. Let me see if I can find that information. Posting key. Heal the world.
Make it a
better place.
Michael Jackson said there yesterday. Imagine, I wonder what he would have said if Michael did there.
The entire
it's a hive. Let's do it.
Now he look around and go,
and just disappear. He would have moonwalked back in the yard.
Exactly, right? Straight to him.
Man.
So once I do that, then what?
So you already put in your username and posting key?
I think so, unless I forgot what my username was. But I keep touching save and nothing happens.
You aren't using the Peak Lock?
Mm-hmm.
Really? And if you go share your screen, can you just put in your Hive account name, put in your posting key, and then you put in like a PIN code.
Jeremy, can you tell me what my name is again?
Data Matrix.
But how is it spelled? The regular way, right?
Yeah, we
Metrics. But I'm not looking at this I'm going from memory.
That's what I thought it was, but I just don't like. Yeah. You said the posting key is what I should use?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I don't know.
I'll find your account right here. See your Data Matrix.
Yeah, I spelled it right. So I don't know, the save button doesn't do anything.
The save button on your phone. Button on.
I'll try again. You and me.
Add your account.
Let's try Hive Signer.
You try that because I found it to be easier than the other one.
Peek the continue.
Oh, you're actually listening to the song. I just realized that. I started to.
I'm hearing the song in the background.
Key store password? What does that mean?
So your key your password, which means you probably need to make a new password for your Hive signer. After you've entered your Steam keys, then now you need to make a new password for your Hive signer. For whenever you're going to enter with Hive signer, this is the password you'd use.
Right.
You see the page like this, Julian?
Pardon?
You seeing this?
Yeah. No. Well, I put that information in already.
Okay.
So that means that you've made that password now, right?
So now, no, that was where you put your.
So you put in your posting key already.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
So now
they're
you're
asking
make
now
a
to do a
password.
key store password. Yeah.
Okay, you're making this password is for your Hive signer, the one you're making now.
Right. So I saw that as well, and then
You do the login. You should get a green button to log in now, and it should take you to your account.
so then it says this transaction requires your active key.
Okay, so if we use your
What are keys? So many keys.
Or your master key. I just use a master key.
But we don't recommend using that still, but you know.
Yeah, Dean doesn't recommend it.
Why? What are your reasons?
It's one of the most important keys that you can.
Right. It can. People can use that and change passwords and so on.
Yeah. So that's why I like the I just input the posting key, boom, bam, bam, you know. Well, again, if
you got the active key, right? You label it as active key, then you should be able to.
Well, key store password. Oh, so now I'm putting the wrong thing. I'm confused with all these different passwords. So the key store password was. You said what?
Them important though.
Yeah, I get that, but it's like
it might be the Hive signer password that you just made. Because I didn't have to use any other password after I made a new password.
Mm-hmm.
You still not logging yet?
Hold on. I'm coming.
Hold on.
Hold your horses.
Hold on.
Ninja man.
Ninja man, yeah. Hold on. So I'll go on for Sunday dinner, Jeremy.
Why? Well, a Papa day now. In terms of cooking. So I forgot to work that out. I have some jerk chicken. I'm a season up.
I was just about to say that I want jerk fowl for my dinner.
Well, I found this McCormick jerk season and decided to try it. But I don't know. We have to go try, take a video of it and give a feedback on it. I also tried this two new jerk seasons I found in the
ladies
store.
and gentlemen. Well, it's only
You're
gentlemen on this call. I'm in.
Yeah.
Good. No,
so we want a jerk season. So now that we have logged in, what is the next step?
You can do anything now you want to do.
so
anything that you used to do on Steam.
Yeah. But first thing I want to show you a full community.